Nkosana Makate, the inventor of Vodacom's Please Call Me service, is refusing to give BlackRock Mining a single cent from his multi-million rand settlement with Vodacom. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, BlackRock Mining and Nkosana Makate were in a funding agreement in 2011 where BlackRock Mining will cover all litigation costs for Makate's case against Vodacom in exchange for 40% of any eventual award or settlement. Now, this agreement was made when Makate's legal battles seemed financially straining. Essentially, BlackRock Mining was betting on Makate's success in this case against Vodacom, and in return, they would receive a significant chunk of his winnings. Now, this dispute started when Makate and Vodacom settled their 20-year legal battle over the Please Call Me services for an undisclosed amount, rumored to be around 550 million to 700 million. Makate's lawyers argue that the agreement between BlackRock was lawfully terminated in 2015, and they are dismissing the claim as baseless. However, Makate is determined to fight for his rightful share of the settlement. It's also worth noting that BlackRock Mining is a company registered in the British Virgin Islands, and they are represented by SN Mnguni Attorneys Inc. The outcome of this dispute is still uncertain, and it's likely to end up in court if Makate and BlackRock can't come up to an agreement. My question is, do you think that BlackRock Mining deserves to get a 40% cut, as they were the ones who were funding this legal case Nkosana Makate with Vodacom back in 2011 up until 2015, where Makate's lawyers argue that the agreement was lawfully terminated? What are your thoughts? And please subscribe to the channel if this is the content that you just want to see more of. I interrupt this video to tell you that I've partnered with a tattoo artist by the name of MGM Inc. This partnership is bringing a 50% discount on all tattoos. Now, if your name is Ubusi, for an example, you want to get a tattoo of your name because of its 4 letters, you will pay 160 for those 4 letters. But if you book it now, you will qualify for a 50% discount. You will only be paying 80 rand because of it will be 20 rands per letter. MGM Inc. is located in Johannesburg in a town called Krugersdorp. He also does house calls, but transport will be provided by you. All that you have to do to qualify for this 50% discount is to send him a WhatsApp and tell him that you are referred by Alokwan Reacts. That is Alokwan Reacts, and automatically you'll be qualified. Alternatively, you can also send me a DM, but please do check out some of his work on his social platforms. It's MGM Inc.